Text. Sort and filter your data. This is a video excerpt from the Coursera course, Getting Started with Google Sheets. A woman sits at a desk with a laptop open in front of her.
One of my favorite things to do in Sheets is sort data.
Text. Sort it.
It really helps me see quite quickly what some top-line trends might be. For example, we can sort data to list things from the smallest data point to the largest, or vice versa.
A spreadsheet with 14 columns.
Let's sort our movies by release date.
She highlights column B, release date.
If we want to see the earliest movie first, sort A to Z.
Selects from right-click menu.
If we want to see the most recent movie releases, sort Z to A. Click on Data.
Clicks toolbar at top of sheet.
See here, you could also select and sort a specific range if you wanted to get more granular.
Selects sort range. A pop-up box appears, with radio buttons and a drop-down menu.
All right, select the column that you want to sort. So in our case, let's select the release date column. Choosing to sort A to Z sorts the earliest releases on top, and choosing to sort Z to A sorts the most recent releases on top. See? Perfect.
Click Sort. The pop-up box disappears and we return to the spreadsheet.
We want to sort by most recent release for now, so we'll leave it like that.
Text.
Okay.
Use filters and filter views.
Using filters and filter views in your spreadsheet. These are different filtering mechanisms provided in Sheets. They're really powerful under different circumstances. Let's go over basic filters. These are really useful when you're working collaboratively with a peer in a spreadsheet at the same time. When you apply a basic filter, that applies to every viewer of the spreadsheet. When you filter and when you sort, that view persists. That means that that will be the view for any future visitors to your spreadsheet. Let's imagine, however, that you're working in parallel with someone. Maybe you and your colleagues have different insights you're trying to uncover at the same time, and you don't want to disrupt each other. So filter views only affect you as the viewer. This is such a powerful tool to have when you don't have editing permissions on someone else's sheet, but you want to be able to sort the data. You can also save these filter views, name them, and share them with your colleagues. So that's what filters and filter views are, but let's dive a bit deeper and talk about how to filter things with and without conditional formatting. So filters are useful if you want everyone viewing your spreadsheet to see a specific filter when they open it. We can also create filters that exclude some data on our sheet while highlighting other information. Filters are seen by everyone viewing your spreadsheet. So let's make a filter that shows us only movies from 2016. Duplicate the movie data sheet.
She clicks the arrow on the Movie Data tab at the bottom of the sheet. Selects Duplicate from the menu. A new tab appears, Copy of Movie Data. Clicks in the tab and types a new title.
Let's rename this to Genre Action 2016. Let's qualify our first condition here. We only want to see movies from the year 2016. Click up here on Data.
Clicks toolbar at top of sheet.
We'll select Create a Filter.
The whole sheet is highlighted. Clicks the arrow in the release date column.
Select this column's arrow here, and we'll select Filter by Values.
A list of values, a text field, and buttons labeled Select All and Clear appear in the menu.
Select Clear. We just want to see movies released in 2016.
Types 2016 in field.
And hit OK.
She scrolls down the sheet.
Now let's qualify our second condition, the action genre from the year 2016. Okay, so select the genre column arrow, select the genre we want.
Clicks action from the list in the menu.
Hit OK.
Text. Filter it, with and without conditional formatting.
Filter views can be useful if you want to save multiple views, or you want others to be able to view the data differently. Since filter views need to be turned on by each person viewing a spreadsheet, each person can view a different filter view at the same time. You can create a filter view, save it, and share it with your team. This is super helpful when someone else in your team wants to narrow down and observe the dataset the same way you did.
She highlights the first row, containing the column names. Clicks Data in toolbar at top of sheet.
To create a filter view, navigate up here, open Data, Filter Views, and create new filter view.
The whole sheet is highlighted. Clicks arrow in release date column.
Click here on the filter menu on the release date column. We'll select filter by values. Let's clear the suggested values and enter 2016. Then select all. Hit OK. And now your team can access the filter view in their data menus.
Clicks next to name at the top of the sheet and types 2016 action movies.
Now let's name this new filter view. This becomes a private filter we can access in the future or share with others.